Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. My name is Izzah Jannatuzahra. I am from Junior High School. Today, I want to tell about becoming good student in technology and also good student in worship to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. We were created by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala to become Khalifah on the world. As the Khalifah, sure, we have to become the main actor to keep the world in good condition. As you have known, that today technology has changed the world. Almost all nations in around the world use technology. Even in this pandemic era, the use of technology is more than just a lifestyle. The use of technology in this pandemic era becomes a need. It happened because the technology used to study from home. This is the only way to prevent the COVID-19 spreading in Indonesia. Many effects felt by the student during online class, positive and negative effect. But in fact, online classes gadgets have many negative effects. This effect such often of learning motivation, tone of moral value, tone of mental and many more. So, how we can change this situation? One of them to become good student in using technology. Then, how we can be good student in using technology? There are some tips to be good student in technology and worship to Allah. The first is trust that technology comes from Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. That may be return to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Don't be use all your time in your life with technology. If it's time to you to pray, let's pray to Allah. If it's time to you to help your parents, let's give help. Don't be waste your time by technology. The second, always use the technology to do positive activity like searching news, searching article, or searching video. Searching news can get me informed about what happened today in the world. Searching article can make me know about science, and searching video can make me get clear about the event. The use of technology as the way of dakwah. Do you know how it can be? It's easy. Let's begin from the simple one, like share the picture of Islamic greeting card, share the material of dakwah, and we also can share the video of speech from Ustad and many more. So that the use of technology will give a good effect to everyone. The wisdom, the use of technology can influence me to read the Allah